What? Oh, you can't even see it because of the light. Oh, there we go. It's our first attempt at a raindrop cake. Just in a bowl.
Niggas.
And it's got some honey drizzled onto it. Yep, just like water. Let's see another slice.
It's like green glue almost. Like old dry glue.
Yeah. Oh god. Take slice another piece up. So it just ugh.
The fact that it broke in my teeth is awful. Alright, enough of that.
Let me see if I can get a good image of the way it kind of splinters. Can you see that? Yeah.
The problem is you've got the light behind you, so you got the shadow over it.
Well, it's actually more the light from the ceiling. Making it hard to pick it up because of the sheen and all that. Can't get the details. But it's gross. We're done.